Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Thanks to God. Today we will show laptop power supply or laptop charger. As you can see here, this is the procedure. This is the electric power. This is the plug socket. This is the laptop charger, and the output of laptop charger is here. As you can see, this is 90 volt DC. This is output. This point is input of this socket. So normally 230 volt AC is coming from the hole. So this 230 volt AC is converted by this laptop charger. So when we see here, this is internal part of laptop charger. As you can see here, this is the input part of the laptop charger. As you can see, this is fuse. This is AC connector because the input part of this laptop charger. This is thermistor. This thermistor is used for temperature sensing. Normally negative temperature coefficient. When a resistor increase, the temperature decrease. So it is used for the temperature sensing, for generally for protection purpose. As you can see here, this is X capacitor or safety capacitor. This is inductor. As you can see here, this one is rectifier. This is IC. Internal of this means this is for diode. So this is used to convert AC to DC. For example, VDC is equals to radical 2 times VAC. For example, when the supply voltage is 220, this 220 is multiplied by radical 2. So we can get that voltage, about 300 voltage. This is DC filter. This means capacitor. This capacitor, which is called polarized or electrolytic capacitor. This one is MOSFET. As you can see here is MOSFET. Metal oxide silicon control field effect transistor. This is chopper transformer. This chopper transformer is not work on DC. Due to this problem, this switching transistor is here. The main function of this is switching. After this, there is Schottky diode. As you can see here, this is Schottky diode. This is electrolytic capacitor. It is used to filter the DC. This is shown from the top view, all of the component at the top. As you can see, here is input connector. This is fuse. This is inductor. This is rectifier. This one is electrolytic capacitor. Okay. This is MOSFET. This is chopper transformer. This one is, as you can see, this is optocoupler, used to isolate primary and secondary and balance the power. This is Schottky diode. This is capacitor. This is the back of the internal part of laptop charger. This is pulse width modulator. So this one is diode, different electronic components. You can show here this one is internal design or all component connection of the laptop charger. This is input of 220 volt AC. As you can see here is this is varistor. This varistor used to protect high voltage. This is fuse. This fuse is used to protect overcurrent. This is X capacitor. Here, this is X or safety capacitor. This capacitor and this inductor used to isolate or filter electromagnetic interference. So this is important for the protection. These all are for protection purpose. This is thermistor. As you can see here, this is thermistor. This 4 diode is rectifier. This is used to convert AC to DC. As you can see here, this is rectifier. Internal parts of this rectifier has 4 diodes. After this is one is electrolytic capacitor. As you can see here, this one is electrolytic capacitor. So this one is pulse width modulator. This is resistor. This is pulse width modulator used to control this or control and drive this MOSFET. This is here is this. This is pulse width modulator. Those of you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is important for us. So this is pulse width modulator. This is optocoupler. This one. Okay, this is balance and isolate the connection between primary and secondary. This also connected to one leg connected to ground here, as you can see here, and the other leg is connected to this pulse width modulator, because this pulse width modulator used to control and drive this MOSFET. This MOSFET switch and make pulse for this transformer, because this transformer work only in AC or pulsating. This transformer, which is called chopper transformer. After this is the chopper transformer. As you can see here, this is one is chopper transformer. This one is Schottky diode. This one is this Schottky diode is this have double diode, just like this. This one is capacitor, resistor, capacitor, resistor. This one is LED. This is final output of 90 volt DC. This is capacitor. This one is capacitor. Okay. So this is the overall laptop charger. This is Tech Orbit. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is very important for us. So thank you for watching, and thanks to God for finishing this portion.